Okay, so the guys just finished demoing this master bath. They're completely transforming this space and it's going to give it a whole new facelift. I'm so excited about this project. It's going to make such a transformation. So we're going to have tile on this back wall here, the back wall here, and then, I'm sorry, sidewall, back wall, and then sidewall here. They're going to have a freestanding tub go in right here in this space. And then we're going to have tile along that back wall, that side wall, and then we'll have glass framing on this side and then glass framing here as well. And then there was 2 vanities before, and we're going to transform that to having both vanities on this back wall. So it'll free up this whole wall here, and they'll have double sinks here and here. And then on this side, where this towel rack is, they're going to add a door so they can access their master closet from the bathroom. It's going to completely like open their closet up from a whole new space. And I'll show you what I mean here. They have this door right here, and they're going to close this door off and then have, this is going to be where the door is going to be from the bathroom. So it's going to open up from a better angle for this closet to be more functioning for the client. It's really going to make such a great project, and I'm so excited to share. It'll be at least a week before we can come back. The plumber has to come in and rearrange some plumbing, for the sink areas, and then also in the shower and the bathtub area. So that's it for now, and I'll be in touch with some updates soon. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a great day.